Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's so deep. I have to go find another shovel or see if I have another shovel. Ugh! Hey dogs, come over with me over here. What? What is even? This is nuts. Okay. I got it. I got this. Yeah! I got it. I thought the other shovel was really small, but oh, jackpot! Another shovel. Okay, that's a game changer. The glitty snow. Glittery snow. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, I had to pause the video so I could close this book. I just fell in the snow. Oh, it's great. Oh, so much fun. So much fun. Wow. Yeah. Told you I was too chunky to fit through that door crack. Okay, got my shovels. Let's get this done. Let's do it. Hey dogs, come on. Come here. Okay, we gotta go back. I was looking back at my video. There's a really big shovel in the shed. And I missed it. I was so excited about the other shovels. Oh man, I didn't think it snowed this much. I was working midnights and then I went to sleep and kind of just sort of forgot about the snow. Oh. Look at that! Okay, let's take this baby to the front. Sparkly snow, sparkly snow. Oh, so cold. Poop. So cold, so cold. It's actually really cold out here. Ontario is a little nuts right now. Oh, yeah. Okay. Ugh, did it again. So cool.